welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a little unboxing video for you guys. I wasn't going to do this on camera, but I decided to because I was just like, I ain't did an unboxing video in a minute. Also, I will be doing a rig review next as well, so if you guys want to know about that review will be up next. I'm going to be unboxing this iPad 10th generation blue. I'm finally getting the iPad, another iPad, guys. My first iPad, I got it in college, and it is no longer with us. But yeah, so I got me a case, and I got me a little stylus pen or whatever. I know I did not get the one for Apple. You know, your girl is on a budget, so I had to shop around. If you guys are looking for a stylus pen, it will be in the description box below. This one was like less than $30. If you do not want to spend $120, $150, then this is for you, okay, period. And I got me a blue case because my iPad is blue, period. I had to match. They don't really got no good looking cases, y'all. They don't got too many options. They don't got too many options on Amazon. I'm telling y'all that right now. I looked. There's not too many blue options. I'm going to be doing blue series and stuff like that on TikTok. So if you like blue, if you ain't too much a pink girl, if you a blue girl, come onto my TikTok at Big K, period. Okay, let's get into this video. So we're gonna I guess remove these right here first, period. Gonna remove these, and I guess that's how you open it. Let's see, I'm trying to do everything on camera, y'all. I don't want to do like a separate video where I'm just unboxing it, you know what I'm saying? Okay, first glance, this is what it looks like, period. Come on. Ooh. Heavy. Period. So it's the square one. It has this camera is blue. I really don't want to take the paper off. Like, oh my gosh. But I'm going to take the paper off for you guys. I was going to do this for TikTok, but I'm doing it for y'all. I'm doing it for y'all. So I'm taking the paper off. I do not want to get no smudges on the front just yet. So here it is right here. So we're going to turn it on. Hopefully it comes charged. If not, we're going to plug this sucker up really quickly. Okay, so while that's turning on, I'm going to be taking out the rest of the stuff. Of course, guys, it comes with the cards and all that extra stuff, like whatever. Oh, thank God. So it does. I was concerned about this. So that is actually it. Nothing else. Yeah, nothing else comes in it but a charger. So I was actually concerned about like it not coming with a block piece, because y'all know the phones start not coming with a block piece, and I really don't like that at all. But yeah, so it comes with its own cord, and it comes with a block piece, and it also came fully charged, period. So the block piece is kind of like the same block piece for the iPhone, and this cord is kind of different. It looks like a different texture. I don't know what that called. Okay, so it does not have a button, so we're gonna tap it. Period. That's how it looks. So I'm gonna set her up really quickly. Let me see if I can set her up. So we're gonna do English, United States, of course. I'm gonna put ooh, what's my Wi-Fi? I don't even know my Wi-Fi name, y'all. I don't even know my Wi-Fi name. Ooh, fix it. Hold up. There you go. Should work. Okay, so while that's doing that or whatever, we're gonna sit her down and we're gonna unbox this case, and we're gonna unbox the stylus pen. So the case is mid. I ain't gonna lie to you, dog. The case is real mid. It's just a regular case with the yada. Period. I don't really like it, but hey, there we go. What is this? Remove before use. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the iPad in there. This looks a little dingy to me. I don't like that. I really don't. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in there. Let's see. Let's see now. It better fit or I'm gonna be highly upset. I'm gonna be highly upset. Okay. Okay. The reason why I also got this case because it also comes with a place for your pen. as well. So this is my new case. Yeah. Okay, so now we're finna complete setup, continue. We're doing all that extra stuff, set up later. I'm gonna set up all that later. So for my password, I'm just gonna keep it simple, not too fucking much on them. Okay, so now we're gonna open this stylus pen. I'm really excited to open this really quickly. I know I don't want this video to be dragged out longer than it has to be or whatever. I don't want to transfer apps, love. Like, no, we're not doing that right there. Transferring apps is for the birds. Why is this won't open? Shit. Whoever made this needs to make it better for you to open it. Like, what in the world? I just literally, like, I'm ruining it. I don't even want to ruin it. I didn't want to ruin the box. Okay, so, stylus pen. Blah. It's hard to open. It's real hard to open. So, here it is, first glance. I don't know what that was. So, you got to charge this? You got to charge it, too? You got to charge the pen? Where you charging it? Oh, hell. You got to charge the pen, too, Lord. You got to charge the pen, too. Really? How you turn it on? You got to turn it on? I'm actually done as fuck. I'm done. Okay, so we finna try it. It looks like it's on. So we're finna try the stylus pen. Let's see if it works. Oh, it worked. Hold up. I don't know how to work that. I'm not finna... Hold up. That's weird. Okay. Oh, it worked real good too, y'all. So the reason why I got this iPad... Hold on, y'all. I'm finna tell y'all. So this is a surprise. This is a surprise announcement. Okay, so the reason why I got this iPad and all that good stuff, and the reason why I'm doing this video, I low-key wanted to use this video also to make an announcement that I am starting a clothing brand called Pay Girl Clothing. It's called Pay Girl Clothing on Instagram. If you guys want to follow us, make sure you guys follow us there. We are taking pre-orders. We are taking pre-orders right now for beanies or whatever. We're going to have our first beanie drop. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. We're going to be doing videos on like how to start a clothing business and what I learned and all that good stuff. I've been low-key in the lab. I haven't been uploading as many videos and stuff like that because I've been in the lab doing my research and all that good stuff, finding vendors. And I'm proud to like come and announce to you guys that I'm starting a clothing brand. And I'm going to take you guys on a journey with me. I'm going to tell you guys everything I know. I'm not going to gatekeep. A lot of people have gate-kept, and I had to find out a lot of stuff on my own, but it's okay. That is why I'm here. I'm here for you guys, period. I'm still going to be doing videos on my other businesses and stuff like that. We're just going to be a busy paid girl, period. Pretty and paid. Yeah, follow us on Instagram. Make sure you guys go support. If you guys do want to shop for our first official beanie drop, make sure you check that description box below. Yes. Okay, so continue. Girl, please, Miss Mamas, no. All right, y'all, so I have officially set up my iPad, and that is about it for this video. Yeah, so this is the iPad. This is the unboxing. I'm going to be setting it up later and all that good stuff on TikTok. I'm going to be doing a mini video on like my my wallpaper, my apps, and all that good stuff. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you like this unboxing video. Stay tuned for the next review video. See you guys later.